Majita namaGrootman isikhathi siyavaya, uApril uyaphela, uJune July transfer window seyilapha. I-big clubs ezine-big ambitions sihlanganisa i-deal ngoku. Awunoqala ukwenza i-deal ngolawe ngoJune July, uqale ngoku, otherwise uyawukaka phandle noba uyi-Kaizer Chiefs. Coach Nazareth Nabi unikwa lento ayifunayo i-management, zii-bosses ze-Kaizer Chiefs, and kuyafuneka futhi ngoba sewuNabi uziprovile ngokuba uyakwazi ucoacha ilaway team. 90 minutes away ngoku from awine i-first trophy yakhe kwi-first season ne-Kaizer Chiefs, 90 minutes away, and uqualifye uchiwo for ilaway CAF Confederation Cup. Ngoku kufuneka bamnikele wayifunayo, uzibonakalisile uba sewunayo potential ne-quality uNazareth Nabi. Apha kule video zothetha nge-players zi-3 Kaizer Chiefs ziyahlanganisa, zi-foreign players ezi, and zozona deals zinzima ezo. So ku-grand for Kaizer Chiefs mayiqale ngeza foreign deals. Singakhohlwa ushaya support nje kancane, shaya ulike, andifuni maranda ngo-KFC nje, ushaya ulike apha ezantsi okanye ulawe shaya subscribe. Xa ushaya ulike, if usubscribile mara if ushaya ulike uYouTube kuseyozayibonisa le video amanye amajita kuze ayibone uba okay kuseyabukela yathandwa le video, uzarecommenda kwabanye abantu. Cela eza likes bafethu okanye sewushaya subscribe if eqala ukuba le channel. I-sources endizilandelayo endaphela ndikhetha kahle i-sources zami ngoba kusapha ku-YouTube ekugcwele imikoki ye-reports ne-sources. Iweyazenza amajita enziwe eziphuma ecaleni, enziwe ezifani apha kuse-videos about i-signings. So naphela ndizikhetha grand i-sources zami. I-source endithembileyo entswembu ithi ba ise-Kaizer Chiefs ihlanganisa i-Tanzanians, phofu zi-2 Tanzanians base kusemjita oyi-1 Malian, but udlala eTanzania, so i-players zi-3 esuka eTanzania. Xa sithetha ngeTanzania ne-Kaizer Chiefs, Nazareth Nabi sayazi ba loyithi ba kusejongo uNabi kuse ukopolile ilawe eTanzania, wayecoacha phaa, uyazi la league ezazi players apha. And kuse umjita ngokuyazi ne-Betway Premiership, yazi i-PSL, so uyazi ba kuse yiphi team iplayer eTanzania ezofika apha South Africa ilenze ixesha, inayo la quality izofika kuse ikwazi kuse udlala ki-level yalapho ngoba kuse uyayibona mos Nabi nayo. So singamthemba ba okay uyazi bethi ayifunayo, uyazi le bethetha ngayo ngezi players azifunayo uNabi Kaizer Chiefs. Number 1 ulawe nguMohamed Hussein na 28, Tanzanian, i-left back. Number 2 nguJuwiji Diarra na 30, waseMali, goalkeeper. Bendithile ngaye kule week phele kwanye kule week apha kule channel, ungajonga i-timeline le channel ngala goalkeeper. Number 3 Faisal Salum, 27, Tanzanian, central midfielder, specialist. Ake mjele sithi isikhathi sithetha ngaye apha, not nakule channel qha. Umjita i-long story and saying number 1 target Kaizer Chiefs, and uthiwa special umjita, so kuse play special funeke kuse leqwe special. Mina ku easy for uthola kuse top players. Ngisho ngona le timeline le channel if kuse ufuna ubona kuse bandani disithini ngolo mjita lo uFaisal Salum waseTanzania, 27. So like umjita le source access khokho umjita injamathambo umeka can't tholakala umjita. If kuse ukhona ku X yamazi kuse Innocent Mkhize Sikhokho, umjita wayezibize zonke kuse i-moves ze-Kaizer Chiefs last season before zonke journalist and out ayo journalist i-insider bufule out i-insider pa Kaizer Chiefs ikopolile na kanjani phakathi Kaizer Chiefs. Umjita wazibiza zonke i-journalist kuse aziyitholi ibhola kula mjita jo. Zonke i-moves last season kuse umjita uzibizile, wayibiza basijonga uNabi yazwakala, assistant kaNabi yazwakala, watsho umjita kuse uyaza uLilope, watsho uyaza uLanduza, uMthabo Cele, Bradley Cross. Umjita is moves kuse like kuse uzibiza kuse uzikhwaza kuse zingafiki even nakwi-news websites, so uyathembakele umjita. Uthi kuse ziyahlangana ke ngoku kuse ezideal zi-3 but khangazi report isikhathi si-1 uthi 1 by 1 qale wathi kuse uyahlangana uLanduza, uJuwiji Diarra, goalkeeper. Uyavaya kilawe ki-Young Africans, plus noMohamed Hussein yaba i-second report le kuse le left back plus ngoku latest report is Faisal Salum uma yakhe kusethwa akafunanga iyawajumpa akafuna usign contract entsha umjita ne Young Africans. And then latest update ke ngoku ya kule veki ithi ba uLanuza Faisal Salum unikwe imvume for ba makathethe neKaizer Chiefs makanegotiate neKaizer Chiefs for ba ideal mahlangane. So iKaizer Chiefs iyayidinga left back ne goalkeeper ne central midfielder 100%. Ayixoxe jo ayilaqazisi left back njengoba bafuna le out lawe Mohamed Hussein. Kaizer Chiefs kangeva grand bifune uLanuza uFawaz Basadini kangeva grand Stellenbosch. And then Bongani Sam unabi wamspufa Twimpu Sam semkini nomuka Kaizer Chiefs ngokumjita no like seyihambile khange announce khange be official way but make like ungathi uphume ngeyekela eNatural okanye uphume ngegate yaseback. Uthatha yona Dilkhokwe iyowavaya Kaizer Chiefs emthengisa ukwi Al Hilal ngoSudan. uBradley Cross noEdmilson Dab abathenjwanga nguNabi obvious ngoba sewuNabi neKaizer Chiefs nako befuna ise left back lena le akathenjwanga uBradley Cross noEdmilson Dab. Maybe future yabo majita bazo developer is left central defenders but ke sewukhona noRushin Dwadley phana bekhona light uLanuza izwakalayo ikilawe reserve team Aiden McCarthy na left center back bekhona light ulawe Xolani Xosa nayo kusemjita ontswembu Kaizer Chiefs reserves. So Kaizer Chiefs is covered. I quote the left center back, but the second left back is Funantswembu. So no to go fit if it's a Kaizer Chiefs is sign 2 left backs. But guess lapha ngokuLanuza kule out Mohamed Hussein na 27 and 28 both isikhathi esigrand career yakhe mature player ngoku ugrand for ukwenza ibiggest move ecareer yakhe xa ku28 ilawe ibiggest contract yakho le ngoba xa 28 noba ise icontract yakho yesithathu leyana ngoba most players sign contracts pha izine lakhe sana pha 19 kanye 21 22 first contract yakho yokuqala and then contract yakho yesibini bapha ku 24 25 and then ngoku 27 28 28 usayina ibest deal yakho biggest deal yakho ngoba yazi bazokwenza kanjani after 30 and then so much has been yakwazi kuse unegotiate and udemand lo uyifunayo and so uziprovile futhi base uyi-professional footballer una 3-4 years udlala idisc ngoku kwi-high level. So Hussein ugrand umjita in terms of ilawe career and readiness yakhe for bakuse makafike kwilawe big team aperform and kuseunalo experience ngoba kuseuza Kaizer Chiefs phana eTanzania idlala Young Africans. So ilawe spotlight nalawe ne high pressure expectations seqhelile umjito ngoba sedlala ibig team Young Africans phana lawe competela for i-league phana competela na for iLanuza CAF Confederation Cup eAfrica. Umjita unaye ne experience international Tanzania international uzodlala World Cup qualifier udlala nini la neAfcon tournament bedlala iAfcon ya last year ni abonga ukuthi udlala nini AFCON qualifiers but ni World Cup qualifiers I mean. So like footballer, a player, yes, you are kind of Nazareth Nabi at the same time. So akazibanayo nala dab nala worry ba ish jonga le coach wandi yanfila yazi uyafuna Ntswembu ngoNabi. Number 2 iLanuza le goalkeeper ulawe uJuaji Diarra anzungena ngako umjita kuse dwadla pha iLanuza kula video bendiyenzile about the out internal goalkeepers Z5 pakla video so zayenza ifaka pha comment la link ya la video ngola grand pha ngamjita kuseningena deep ba se goalkeeper grand leyabonakala ba ile equality goalkeeper and senamjita kuswa kusefuna ukwenza imove uYoung Africans naye already for kusevaya goalkeeping situation eKaizer Chiefs sonke siyayazi kusebona kuse icacile like mbhobho ba Kaizer Chiefs ayina goalkeepers uFiakre Ntwari uyavaya uLanuza uBruce Vuma noBrendan Peterson abayithatha opportunity for bakuse babe number 1 goalkeepers eKaizer Chiefs abasebenzisa ithuba majita babhizi batyana amachiri elithuba yo opportunity enjani njengoba number 1 goalkeeper eKaizer Chiefs. so Diarra yazwakala and then sewuthenjiwe urecommended uNabi uyamazi and bese nala goalkeeper i-assistant yakhe uLanuza uSadri Khaze iyamthwasa lo mjida from Young Africans uDiarra imali international. Faisal Salum ile third target most wanted le Kaizer Chiefs umjida since kwa last season before qala season. I mean uNabi wathi ngafika Kaizer Chiefs oba kusejonga ufuna uzana le out ufuna usana le player Faisal Salum 27 year old umjida i central midfielder specialist. Ngizawuza explain ngoba sejonga uthi nxa specialist uMac but yeah Kaizer Chiefs technical team uNabi plus ne-assistants zakhe zimfuna ntswempu lo mjida ziyamazi zimfuna engathi ngamahata afuna isuspect. Umjida tendency specialist le out i-midfielders ezininzi ezintswempu zithu i-midfielders ezikhoyo before ngoku because ngoku sezikhona i-midfielders ezimodern so umjida maybe akaso specialist kangako umodern ndingatsho but before bekho ezimodern midfielders bekho midfielders ezithu bezibayi-two types ze-midfielders bima kuse midfielder ekwazile kuse uLanuza uholder twice defensive midfielder number 6 nengomasha uLanuza bani onye before nengomasha uLet Khatsande uEzra Mnyandoro yabasazi manje se-defensive midfielders bafethu bekhoza midfielders bone o6 ekusebone bakumaka unye and then ke ngoku ecangwa abe midfield bakho le ilawe creative midfielder kanye central midfielder le defensive midfielder maybe central midfielder le kanye kuthiwa number 8 ka bebizwa odayiding ngoku uyambona bani number 8 Pirates boza yam but I modern midfielder leya uLanuza talent embathe modern midfielder zawungena ngondi modern midfielder because ya creative midfielders man bafethu out really meet man say ayo usponsor yakhe loyenza ngokumart bayise sponsor yakhe Trent now Mart kusezwa modern midfielder ngoko but sponsor yakhe ku create iplay no attack nesebekho lihle side wakhe leyo specialist ke ngokwenye modern midfielders le trust specialist because kusayomchita uya specialize like uyi perfect unazi skill set like uyilewe ezinye players izizona ziyazama uba umuntu uba neza attributes ne skills ne ability zokwenza zoyi-two eza roles ba okay uya defend kufanele udefendiwe uya attack kufanele attackiwe zenza zobzob ezwe lemizeke ngqobothela ngayo uriding abo Pirates u6 Pirates out yakumaka unye leya ulawe uMakhehlela Makhawula balise umchita icala le game yakhe azama uimprove ba xa siye front ba okay mfethu kuse uyakwazi ucreator uyakwazi kuse uscore goals no create goals so umchita iparty yakhe kuse azama uimprove leya nike ngoku ubekho talent embathe kuse yena more modern midfielder umchita uyakwazi udefender uMac and says of course esemchita yakwazi score goals create goals score goals so more modern umchita ngasi specialist so Kaizer Chiefs le out ifuna lo wayipha kuyo and so umchita uyiphethe lewe uyiphethe ngobhaka jo uyiphethe ebhekini lewe yeba okay umchita yakwazi kuse defend yakwazi create yakwazi like umchita all action Sundowns debo Mokoena isemchita ukulewe modern midfielder eyenza lo Mokoena me defender me create your scorer Chiefs le out ifuna ngako Faisal Salum ilawe umjida swaye efuna ntswembu and kusexa sesiva izinto ezibayo bayisomjida uki level to specialist like uki level exam engapha kusekokombatha noma kwena ningangibisela lapha i-comments bafethu ifenze Pirates Sundowns isele out bifuna na i-Sundowns futhi out Faisal Salum so ayiloqatha eli i-serious player le Kaizer Chiefs if imthole lo mjida izawuthola i-player and izokushomisa i-league and we grand we bayise ilawe i-teams zoyi-3 top teams ekusezibe ne-players grand and sezibene performances grand zibene achievements ne-success. Bon mayisuke bafethu man iligate kuse ingakhenyi ba okay team e1 kuse eshayela team ezi2. So uyafisa solo umthoni ke permission for Kaizer Chiefs and semjita akafuna usign contract entsha ne-Young Africans and umjita kuthiwa uyafuna uzwakala Kaizer Chiefs. Faisal Salum izawusuka indaba. So foreigners ndithetha ngazo apha ze-Kaizer Chiefs. So question mark ngoku indaba ithi ba Kaizer Chiefs izawuza kanjani senge-foreign sports. I-rules ze-Premier Soccer League ziba team ikwazi uba na 5 foreign players qha etimini. So Kaizer Chiefs ihlanganiselwe weight xa iza ne-foreigners zi-3 funeka bekhona seyi-foreign sports ezi-3 ezivulekayo. Number 1 iyavuleka Christian Sayile uyavaya. Sayile seyiplay Kaizer Chiefs mos ukuyiloni SuperSport United. So Kaizer Chiefs izawuthi ungabe sabuye ngotsho nganami via Grand makazubuye so i-foreign sport iyavuleka. Number 2 uFiacre Ntwari goalkeeper yaseRwanda iyavaya Kaizer Chiefs nayo umjita. So two sports ziyavuleka. And then more surprising le kanti ibonisiza le but ngoku iqala ucaca ngokuba i-quality player bafethu uEdson Castillo uyavaya. Yena umjita I think isimoko zoqualify Kaizer Chiefs kusenyanzeleke basemayinze i-decision. And umjita problem yakhe nayo kusizi-injury basemjita akwazi kuseuhlala efit Edson Castillo u-injury prone and sonoba le injury yakhe futhi noma Kaizer Chiefs ibonile ba yi-1 le injury ayozuba grand ngoku kwanye xa phinde ba-grand baphinde bekhe isimoko apha izoba injury khona injury kuthiwa zi-recurring ngesingamla bayizawuphinde iphinde ibuye le injury. So mna ndicingela apho okay Kaizer Chiefs theni semvayisa u-Edson Castillo ngokwentsuwempu. So nazo iziport ezi-3 ze-foreigners for ulanduza uHussein noDiarra plus noSalum. Kaizer Chiefs at the same time mna disayilindele for ba isayine 1 or 2 enye iplayer suke Africa. I think i-striker enye foreigner i-striker. Yeah, striker Chiefs so zingathi akho striker bafiti kuse so kafuneka iphinde yenze iplan bayibona bayisijonga ithola kanjani enye foreign sport. And xa sinijongile mina bayisijonga iziphi players apha Kaizer Chiefs mhlawumbe ngingathatha decision egrot ngazo. Edmilson Dava fethu uGrand mjidi Black Grand qha man explain basekuthini Kaizer Chiefs mhlawumbe kusenayo ngaphela imlawe imgabha umjida. uEdmilson uyadlala Kaizer Chiefs qha mjidi contract yakhe izawuphela ne mara phandle kwalo Kaizer Chiefs inayo icover left central defense. Unabi obviously kusemjida uyabona system yakhe ngendlela afuna udlala ngayo. uBradley Cross plus no Edmilson Dava abanazo za qualities bazifunayo kuse left back ayifunayo umjida. Ufuna specialist left back and khona pha uEdmilson Dava plus no Dava Edmilson plus no Cross mara kuse bebe fit mara se unabi ilaqaza man because kuse amajida uwabona ngathi suited for the central defense left center back and badlala pha ngokwamajida oyi1 since bayise ngoku ukho situation ba okay akafika left back ayifunayo unabi bebedlalile phakathi eMachintamini batshintsha futhi omnye Man City left back omnye Man City left central defense and bapha because kuse ulawe uRushun Dwadley injured uMac for I think for the rest of the season. But ke point yami is bayise Kaizer Chiefs ingathi ingakwazi usacrifice uEdmilson Dava because inayo cover pha uzabuya uRushun Dwadley for the left central defense. Bradley Cross usekhona Bradley Cross useshekule I think 2 years contract yakhe. So Kaizer Chiefs nangona engamfili mhlawumbe izawuzama iphinde imspanise improve umjida phakela left central defense. And kuse Kaizer Chiefs in reserve players i2 ezinswembu abachana badlala ku-DDC abazi left central defenders bakhabanga left badlala central defense and kuse opportunity for bakuse mababa coach ba develop amajida babe grand bazoba icover pha. So Edmilson Dava kuse angavayiswa for iways njalo. Ulanduza Aiden McCarthy uyazwakala pha left central defender plus nenye out ulawe uXolani Xhosa naye se left central defender umjide uyaphekwa pha. So watch the space bafethu basejonga Kaizer Chiefs so zingasign strike esi1 esisuka Orkant Africa kanye somewhere else and then sekafuneka iphinde yenze i-shock decision irelease umuntu oyi1 striker I mean uyi-foreigner by Kaizer Chiefs. I-foreigners ezikhoyo phaa kuse ulawe izibantshile Edmilson Dove plus nelathi kubofika uLilope yase-DRC. I don't think izovaya umjita. Ulanduza i-local uSirino kuse wayithola citizenship lapha e-SA, so akayi foreigner. So ngubani abanye nguDave. Okay man, bale lezi zivayayo because kuseyisabalwa la 5. Via Krentwari number 1, number 2 Edmilson Dove 2, Ulanduza, uLilope 3, Castillo 4 plus noSayile 5. Uzovaya uNthwari plus noSayile. uNthwari noSayile bazovaya plus noCastillo, then ifike ezi-3 nje angazo apha. And then ke ngoku Kaizer Chiefs neke kuse if kuseyifuna i-striker esi-grand yo, and ayina choice futhi kuyafuneka kuseyiphume ngaphandle for uthola i-top striker. Kuyafuneka seyibona i-plan about uLilope plus no bani foreigner edlala yapha Kaizer Chiefs ngo uMiguel Iheanacho uthi central defender. So Kaizer Chiefs ku-tough mali sefuneka yenze i-plan. Namajita ama-3 mayifunayo plus kuseni striker sizofika. Nikenze decision kuse ngo-riding lesi striker sofika kanjani apha, okanye enye yezi players sinthi angazo apha iseni ongahlanganisi isenoyidile kusesinoyichayisa if kusebafumana i-top striker qombe Ajo, left back sayifumana left back bone mhlawumbe sebekhona decision ba okay kanye opportunity ba okay awupasadini bayamthola. Okanye uriding uvuyo uvuyo bangane le patla we riding we Sekhukhune United kanye enye left back kuse ekhoyo apha iphethwe Premiership entswembu bamyeka mhlawumbe Hussein Mohamed Hussein, okanye bathole i-goalkeeper amajita uPrus Vuma improve, okanye kuse uriding uBrandon Peterson abe-grand. Kaizer Chiefs iphela imlawe umyeka uDiarra because except bathole i-striker anokwazi uvayisa uLilope okanye uriding uMiguel Iheanacho. So bafethu enye ivideo nzenza ngenye imini le foreign sports Kaizer Chiefs izinto zizawutshintsha, ininto ezakwenzeka kule 2 months. Otherwise bafethu ngalibali support channel nje nishaye like apha ezantsi okanye subscribe if uqala udibana channel. Ungaphosa uziwezi grand kuse apha ku-internet ninto wenzekayo, dibana channel egrand efana nale then ulahlile wena ungaphinde uyibone channel. Cofa subscribe ungaphosa izi videos. Ngoja bafethu.